Hey everyone, we're here at ServCon again in the afternoon. We're here with John DiCarlo again, and we're going to show actually how to add an app on the Android on our Ricoh interactive whiteboard. So John?
Thanks, Art. So to add an application to Android, the first thing you have to do is go to the App Store and download it. Now, by default, the App Store is not in here. Okay, so we have to go in to Settings, and we choose Security Settings. It's going to ask us to put a password in. We say OK. Now that we're logged in as an administrator, security settings, we can turn on application installation. And you say OK. That is off by default, and it will reset back to off when we reboot the panel. Now, when we go into the bag here, we have this Aptoid. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce it, but this is the app store that we have. There's a lot of applications in here. Probably the easiest way to find what you're looking for is do a search.
Right.
So we searched for, in this case, we searched for a browser. I installed the Opera browser, but it doesn't really matter what you search for. I installed WinZip, things like that we need, just like your phone. So you type it in, you search for it, you select it, you say install.
Right.
And when it's done, it will be listed as an application in the little bag here. So here's WinZip, there's Opera, so on and so forth. If you want to add it to the desktop, you can drag the app you just installed, again, just like your phone.
Oh, that's pretty good.
We can move it over here to the next screen, and that's our app. So we have our main screen and our app screen.
All right, very good. Thank you, John.
You're welcome.